everyone around. Welcome everybody. We are going to ride some rides at Busch Gardens. Maybe get on the Tigris, hopefully. Are you excited about it?
Oh yeah.
What other than that, what other rides are you going to go? Cobra's Curse. Yeah, that one's a good one. So, alright, have fun.
Cause I know then you'll see we can be true. We can be true. I want you to see what.
Looking at the entry, it looks like it's really close, like not a long wait at all. Our first ride of the day, we're going to go on Cheetah Hunt. This is a launch intimate attraction coaster that has, I think, 3 launches on it and a really nice drop, which we've been on it a few times. It's just a lot of fun. So I'll see you on the ride.
I was like, I like how I can go skydiving, but these freak me out.
That is crazy. Yeah.
On your safety harness and watch your step.
There we go.
It's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We've both been there before. When a love shuts the door, it's a losing game. It's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all. It makes it all alright. In time. In time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right. It feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we
You gotta get a clap.
Oh my god.
Do it before and after because my hair gets messy.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
My power goes.
Love this elevator. I think there's one on top. We're gonna run into it.
Oh my god.
Just made you mad.
Where?
Right there. Birds are getting a look at it.
From the Cobra's curse.
Oh, we're gonna go forward.
Huh?
Are we going forward?
No. We're going backwards.
Are we gonna go forward?
like because it doesn't go straight down, it kind of goes to the side. That makes it better.
What we do here is go back.
Maybe because we're about to go up again. It's supposed to spin.
Slow down
Did you get wet? That's fun. Okay, cool. Alright, looks like a beautiful day riding the Sky Rider, Sky Coaster, whichever it's called. Yeah, we are enjoying our time here. I got to ride Tigris. She wasn't feeling that great.
Really just asked for my number on video.
555. Anyway, we had a great time. I think we're going to end it with some more food and another ride on Cheetah Hunt. We did a lot of different rides and coasters. We didn't film them all. I mean, I did most of them. So the log ride, that was a fun one. It was so good to cool off on that one. But it's been awesome. It's really beautiful view up here. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, I had a great time. It was a lot of fun. But again, this channel is all about me, not her at all, so who cares about her? This is all about me. Franny the train. No, we're having a great time here. I'm so glad I got to bring my friend out and got to have some fun. So. All right, well, I think we're gonna sign off and we're gonna say bye to you guys. I'm glad you're watching. Hope you subscribe. If you like this channel, leave me a like, hit that bell notification, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.